Hello everyone and welcome to Next Academy. I am Annie and today I am going to discuss about trigonometry. That means solving your exercise 8.1. So in my last class, in my previous class, I have discussed about few examples and introduction to your trigonometry. Now today I will solve your textbook questions. So now let us start solving your question number 1. Question number 1 is given. ABC is a rectangle triangle. B angle is 90 degree and AP is given 24 centimeter. BC given 7 centimeter. Okay, so if two sides of rectangle triangle is given, you know how to find out the hypotenuse. So H is equal to this hypotenuse is equal to AP square plus BC square root over, right? That means your 24 square plus 7 square root over. Finally, this is 625 square root over, that is 25. That means this hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. Let us find the sine A. Sine A means this. You have to consider this angle A, and you have to see what is the opposite side to the angle A. So here sine of angle A is opposite to angle A means BC divided by hypotenuse. That means BC is 7 and hypotenuse is 25. Right? That means sine A is 7 by 25. Right? So again, let us discuss about cos A. How to find out cos A? Now, this cos A is adjacent. Okay, adjacent to A. Divided by hypotenuse. Here, adjacent to A is this means AP by AC means 24 by 25. Okay. Now, this is question number I and 2I. Another bit is given. Let us find out. B, I, this is AI, PI, that is sine C and cos C. Okay, that means you have to look at this angle. Sine C and this angle C. You have to look what is the opposite side. Now, sine C is opposite to C divided by hypotenuse. Means opposite is 24. This is opposite side B. That means 24 by 25. Okay. Similarly, cos C. How to find out cos C? Cos C is adjacent to C by hypotenuse. That is adjacent to C by hypotenuse. Okay, here adjacent to C is 7. That means 7 by hypotenuse is 25. Now in this way you can calculate. Okay, you have to consider that angle and what is the opposite side to that angle. And in the both case hypotenuse will be there in sine and cos. Okay, now let us discuss about question number 2. Now see, the question number 2 is very interesting. Right. Here a triangle given and Q is the right angle triangle, that is 90 degree, and two sides are given, that is hypotenuse and height is given. You need to find out the third side. So after finding out third side, you have to find out tan P and the cot tan. Then you have to subtract them each other. Okay. Now from the figure, PQ is 12. PR is that is 13. Okay, this is 13. Then what is QR? Now QR is equal to PR square minus PQ square root over, that is 13 square minus 12 square root over 169 minus 144 square root over, right? That is 25 square root over, that is 5. So this is 5 centimeter. These are all in centimeter. Now after finding the third side, we need to find out what is tan P, what is cot R. So after finding tan P and cot R, we have to subtract the both. Now let us find out this tan P and cot R. Now what is tan P? Tan P is opposite to P, means you need to consider opposite to P divided adjacent to P. Okay, so opposite to P is Q1, adjacent to P is PQ. Okay, that is pi by 12. Similarly, cot R means you need to remember this angle. Means you need to see what is opposite to the angle R, adjacent to, and that is R, opposite to R. Means adjacent is QR divided by PQ. That is QR is 5 by 12. Now you see I have got this 5 by 12 and I have got this another 5 by 12 because, and I have to subtract that. That means tan P minus cot R. The tan P is 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12, that is 0. Tan P cot R. These are calculated from the angle you see. You have to see whose angle is given. Which angle is given. If it is R, then you need to consider what is the opposite side. If it is P, you need to consider what is the opposite side. Then you have to consider from the angle what is the adjacent side. You need to remember this formula. Tan P opposite to angle P, adjacent to P. Angle P. Cot R adjacent to R and opposite to R. So after calculation, I got the final answer is 0. Next, let us discuss about question number 3. Next question is given that if sin A is equal to 3 by 4, then you need to find out cos A and tan A. So there is a very beautiful equation you have to remember. That means cos A is equal to 1 minus sin square A square root of. This is a very beautiful formula. You need to remember. That means 1 minus 3 square by 4 square root over. That is 16 minus 9 divided by 16. Okay, that is 7 by 4. Okay, so now cos A I found, sin A is given. I can calculate tan A. This tan A is nothing but it is sin A by awesome. Sin A is 3 by 4 given, or that is 3 by 4 and root 7 by 4. 4 cancel out. Okay. I will got, and that is 3 by 7. If I want to omit this root 7 from denominator, I can also add or multiply root 7 here, root 7 into root 7. That is, this answer here I am writing 3 into, that is 3 root 7 by 7. This is tan. Okay, if the angle is given and you have to use the formula, that is sin A is equal to 1 minus sin, cos A is equal to 1 minus sin square A square root of. If cos A is given, the same thing will be there, means sin A is equal to 1 minus cos square theta or cos square A square root of. In this way, you need to solve all of your book questions. Now let us discuss about question number 4. Now let us start question number 4. Given 15 cot A is equal to 8. Now see, here you have to find sin A and sec A. Now 15 cot A is equal to 8. So what is cot A? Now cot A is equal to 8 by 15. Tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. That is 8 by 15. That means 15 by 8. Okay. So now see, what is, if I go for a triangular representation, what is cot A? What is cot A? If it is A, B, C, what is cot A? Cot A is adjacent to A, means AP, by opposite to A, means BC. So cot A, this cot A is equal to 8 by 15. That is AB by BC. Means adjacent, you know the formula. Cot A is equal to adjacent to A and the opposite means BC. So here AB is equal to 8, BC is equal to 15. Right? If AB is equal to 8, BC is equal to 15 means this is 15, this is 8. Then you can find this. That means AC is equal to BC square plus AB square root over, that is 8, BC is 15 square plus 8 square root over. So finally I got AC is equal to 17. Now I got all the sides from a triangle. All the sides means AP is 8, BC is 15, AC is 17. Now I can find out what is sin A. Sin A is opposite to angle A. That means BC by the hypotenuse SC. That is BC is 15 by 17. Okay. Similarly, cos A. Cos A is side to the angle A and hypotenuse of, that means adjacent to angle A and hypotenuse, that means 8. That means AP by AC, that is 8 by 17. Now if I got sin and cos, I can get sec. So sec A is equal to 1 by cos A, means 1 by 8 by 17, that is 17 by 8. Okay, so you know how question is twisted. In this way you have to solve. Okay, sec A is equal to 8 by cos A is equal to 8 by 17, then sec A is equal to 1 by cos 8 by 17 means 17 by 8. Okay. Now let us discuss about last questions, that is question number 5. Now let us discuss about the question number 5. Question given that sin theta is equal to 12 by 13. Now you need to calculate all other triangle ratios. Okay. So now your sin theta is equal to 12 by 13. What is cos theta? Cos theta is 1 minus sin square theta square root of 1. Means 1 minus 12 square by 13 square root of 1. Means 1 minus 169 minus 144 divided by 169 square root of 1. That is 25 by 169 square root of 1. That is 5 by 13. So cos theta is 5 by 13. So sin theta is 12 by 13. Cos theta is 5 by 13. Then what is tan theta? Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta is 12 by 13, 5 by 13. So that is 12 by 5. If cos theta is 5 by 13, what is cot theta? Cot theta is 1 by tan theta. That is 5 by 12. Then what is sec theta? Now sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. That is 1 by 5 by 13. That is 13 by 5. Similarly, cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. That is 13 by 12. In this way, if you want to only one angle is given and another angle is related by that angle by some formula, you got two triangle formulas. Then from that two you can utilize to get tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. Okay. Now I hope you understand the problem I solved here. And if this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Next Academy. And if you are new to my channel, subscription is required because my next notification will be reached soon. Thank you for watching.